This is one bed. Steady lights. This is the visitor's convenience. Screded wall. This is the parlor. Please, can you open that kitchen door for me? Door. Screded wall, already painted, sorry. This is the room. We have federal lights here with prepaid meter. This is the wardrobe, very spacious. This is the toilet in the room. It's 2 toilets, water heater. The wall is already screeded, as you can see. Spacious room. Steady light. Okay, this is the kitchen section. Screeded already. Please let me shift. Sorry. This is what the kitchen looks like. I'll take you to the compound now. This is a very fine house. Prepaid meter everywhere. Steady light. This is the prepaid meter. This is the compound. Third road to the house. Very fine. 300K.